Are you looking for the best ratchet screwdrivers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best ratchet screwdrivers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the WEA Craftform Kompakt 27 Raw Ratcheting Screwdriver. The quality of the handle was immediately noticeable. The mixture of hard and soft rubbers was comfortable and felt like it gave better grip and control, and the permanent magnet kept the bits in place well. The ratchet mechanism on the WEA screwdriver is fine-tuned, and the teeth inside must be really small, because you can turn a screw the tiniest amount on the ratchet, which will be very handy for small adjustments and tight spots. The feature that makes the WEA ratchet screwdriver the best ratchet screwdriver set on this list is the innovative bit storage design. Being able to store multiple bits at the screwdriver itself is brilliant. No more hunting through pockets or tool belts for the right bit, because it's already there. Up next in the 4th place is the BOSCH 808,050 ratchet screwdriver in 6-bit. BOSCH are a Swedish premium tool manufacturer, and this monster 808,050 ratcheting screwdriver set is great for heavy-duty work, but refined enough to give you a light touch where needed. As you would expect from the best ratchet screwdriver for the UK market, the 3-material handle is comfortable and helps you apply a lot of torque to a screw. The included screw bits felt secure in the holder and weren't going to fall out anytime soon. The dual-direction ratcheting mechanism on this BOSCH ratchet screwdriver was easy on the wrist and had a small enough return to really tighten screws down well. Our favorite feature is the knurling on the blade though. Being able to grip it with your fingers securely is a sign that BOSCH listened to their users. The 3rd product on our list is the Stanley Multibit Ratchet Screwdriver Plus 10-bit. Stanley are a trusted tool brand around the world, and this multi-bit ratcheting screwdriver set hasn't let them down. The handle felt grippy and allowed for a lot of torque to be applied to a screw. The Multibit name has been around for a long time, and Stanley have made some changes that should help out in the long run. The ratcheting mechanism on this Stanley ratchet screwdriver feels solid and helps reduce wrist fatigue. You can store a whopping 10 bits inside the handle and around the edge of the ratchet housing. This does make the handle heavy, but having the bits to hand makes it worth it. Second on our list is the Klein Tools 32,558 ratcheting screwdriver and nut driver. US tool brand Klein have been making professional level kits since 1857. In this time, they've had plenty of practice making the best ratchet screwdrivers for electricians on the market. The 32,558 multi-bit ratcheting screwdriver is a substantial and solid tool that holds 10 different driving tips. The cushion grip rubberized handle is incredibly comfortable and allows you to put more torque into whatever screw or nut you're working on. The high-torque, heavy-duty ratcheting mechanism works in 3 ways: forward, reverse, and locked in place. The different bits are held inside the screwdriver body for when you need them, so they're less likely to get lost. This is an ideal tool for professionals that demand a lot from their tools. It might not be the most delicate ratcheting screwdriver in the world, but it won't break down on you if you put a lot of force into driving a screw or nut. There's a good reason why pros choose Klein Tools. Finally, the top product on our list is the Engineer Right-Angled Ratchet Screwdriver Plus 6-bit. Engineer have made another essential problem-solving tool with their low-profile right-angled ratcheting screwdriver. Slim and agile, the dimensions of this screwdriver are perfect for when you just can't get at a screw head-on. Sometimes even a stubby screwdriver will struggle to get into position, so this is the best snap-on ratchet screwdriver for tight spots. The Engineer Super Low Profile Ratchet Direction Selector is a handy innovation. It sits by your thumb during use, ready to switch direction without having to remove the tool from the screw. This, as well as the round dial at the top of the screwdriver, meant that screwing in and out with this right-angled screwdriver was fast, accurate, and comfortable.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.